How to use the Diderot Effect to build good habits. Have you ever bought something and then felt like you needed to buy more things to go with it? That's called the Diderot Effect, the idea that acquiring one new possession often leads to a spiral of additional purchases. For example, you buy a new dress and suddenly you need matching shoes and earrings. Or you buy a new couch and now you're questioning the entire layout of your living room. Maybe you buy a toy for your child and before you know it, you're buying all the accessories that go with it. It's a chain reaction of purchases. This pattern isn't just limited to shopping. Many of our behaviors follow a similar cycle. For example, you go to the bathroom, which leads to washing and drying your hands. That reminds you to throw the dirty towels in the laundry, which prompts you to add laundry detergent to your shopping list. No behavior happens in isolation. Each action becomes a cue that triggers the next behavior. So, how can we use this to build good habits? The Diderot Effect isn't just about buying more things, it's about using one action to trigger another. You can start by choosing one small habit to work on. For example, decide to drink more water. That one decision could lead you to buy a reusable water bottle, which will remind you to drink more often. Now, link habits together. You can pair a new habit with something you already do. Let's say you want to exercise more. Every time you make your morning coffee, let that be your cue to do a quick workout. One habit triggers the next. You can also use visual cues. Want to read more? Place a book on your pillow. This simple reminder will make it easier to pick up the book and read before bed. Environmental cues trigger your habits and help them stick. When you complete one positive action, it creates momentum for the next. After a workout, you might feel more motivated to eat a healthier meal. Celebrate small wins along the way. As you see progress, you'll feel more driven to keep going. But don't overwhelm yourself. Start slow. Focus on one habit at a time. As you get better, you'll naturally start adding more positive habits, just like how buying one thing often leads to more purchases. Keep it simple, one habit at a time. So, use the Diderot Effect to your advantage. One small change can trigger a chain of good habits. Start small, link habits together, use visual cues, and celebrate your progress. Every small action builds momentum and leads to bigger changes. The key is to keep it going, one habit at a time. Start small, build momentum, change your habits.